Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration YM69 Oft. Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS low roof factory fitted crew cab limited van. It has done 62,000 miles with full service history. It has 2 keys. Air conditioning, alloys, parking sensors, DAB radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, heated seats, heated windscreen, stop-start, cruise control. This crew cab custom has low mileage and is in great condition. This 6-seater has a brilliant spec, including heated seats, making it the perfect van for a work crew or for families eager for adventure and leisure. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.